What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay. Today I have an awesome recipe to share with you all. We are making some seafood boil ramen. Yes, you heard me correct. This is actually my first time making this dish, but I already know it's gonna be out of this world with flavor because my seafood boils alone, they go crazy. You add ramen to the equation, it just takes it up a whole nother notch, you feel me? So let's not waste any more time. We gotta go ahead and get right on into it. So let's get started. So I have a pot of water to a rolling boil. We're gonna be using this Louisiana crab boil seasoning to season up that water. I went a little bit generous and heavy-handed. I did not even look at the directions. My crab was a little on the spicy side. You might want to reduce the amount that you put in there or maybe read the directions. But the crab still came out delicious. So I got my snow crab in there. I'm using about 4 clusters. You can use more if you want. I'm also gonna toss in some yellow corn into the same pot. Mind you, crab is usually fully cooked, frozen. I thawed mine out, got it in the pan. It's not gonna take much time to cook this at all, maybe 15 minutes, and then turn off your heat and just kind of let it sit in that water to soak up the flavors. Moving on, I have a little bit of oil in my pan. It's about to a medium high, I would say. I'm tossing in my Andouille sausage. I'm letting that syrup a little bit. Once it looks nice and beautiful, I'm gonna toss in a whole onion. I didn't dice mine. I kind of like my onion like this whenever I'm doing a seafood boil, but the preference is yours. I'm also tossing in a little bit of minced garlic as well as 1 stick of unsalted butter. Once that butter melts down, we're gonna add in the remainder of the ingredients. We're gonna toss in a little bit of chicken broth. This gives our sauce a nice consistency instead of having all the seasonings sunken at the bottom. I'm tossing in my little seasoning blend, a little bit of lemon juice, and you can't forget the hot sauce. You want to let that come up to a boil, and once it does, we're going to toss in our shrimp. I'm using extra large peeled deveined shrimp, and keep in mind, like I said, once it's coming to a boil, we're going to toss our shrimp in, boom. But shrimp takes no time to cook. Worst thing is overcooked shrimp. It comes very rubbery. You do not want that in your seafood boil. This takes nothing but a few minutes. You're gonna see the shrimp start to shrivel up. They're gonna turn pink. You know they're fully cooked. Takes nothing but a couple of minutes, guys. And like I said, I am super excited for this one right here because, man, this recipe in general for seafood boil is everything. You know what I'm saying? And when we toss in that ramen, or should I say ramen, however you want to pronounce it, it's gonna turn it up, okay? So last step is getting that ramen or ramen, however you want to pronounce it, in the pot. That takes nothing but a couple of minutes. You want to drain it, and we are ready to plate up, baby. Go ahead and get that into your bowl. That's funny. My son is here. You probably heard him. Yes, noodles. Quiet, buddy. Anyways, we're gonna keep that in the video. My noodles are in my pan, or I should say my plate. I'm sorry. We're tossing in our snow crab. We're tossing in our beautiful corn, and we're gonna scoop all of that yummy sauce as well as the sausage and the shrimp, the onion, all of that yumminess into this bowl right here. And we're gonna make sure to get a nice heaping full of that sauce as well, and make sure our noodles are fully covered up in all of this goodness. Last but not least, we are gonna toss on some freshly chopped parsley on top just to add a little pop of color, and we are pretty much ready to bust down. This is the end result, but we are not done. You know, our nutritionist is trying this on camera, so that's what we about to do. All right, everyone, we are looking good, smelling good as always. I'm so excited to give this a try. It is, whoo! I already know it's gonna be good, you know? Let me go ahead and get into that ramen. That's the special part. You know what I'm saying?
That's a special part of this recipe today. I'm gonna get a shrimp on there. And we're gonna go ahead and, we're gonna go ahead and bust down, okay? Yeah, that's the one right there. That is the one right there. Come on now. Wow. That takes it up a whole nother notch. That ramen just soaks up all of this goodness that we have right here in this dish and turns it up. Straight up turns it up. Let me hit that Andouille sausage one time with the ramen too. You know, we gotta try everything with the ramen. Wow, guys. Come on now. That's busting. That is so good. We got a snow crab. Come on now. Yeah. Wow. I have outdone myself with this one. I'm letting you know. I am letting you know I have outdone myself with this one. This is just 10 out of 10. Must try again and again and again and again and again. It's that good. Come on now. All right, guys, it's pretty much a wrap for the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you all give this one a try. It is that darn good, okay? If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the upload. You do not want to miss out on one of these amazing recipes. Hit me with a like that lets YouTube know that you're loving the content, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video as well as what you want to see on the next one. I'm gonna drop my contact info down below as well if you're in the South Florida area, because I am a licensed realtor in the state of Florida, so I can help you out, buy, sell, rent, whatever you want to do. Hit me up, and I will see you all on the next video. Deuces.